Can domestic violence be charged as a felony? And the short answer is yes, definitely. But I think it's interesting to consider the criteria that's typically used to determine whether or not it can be charged as a felony. So in domestic violence cases, the process is there will be a complaint, a police officer will visit, they will make a very general crime report documenting, in most cases, what the alleged victim or complaining witness had to say. That report will be forwarded to the district attorney, and they have to make a determination about whether to charge it as a misdemeanor, which would expose you only to county jail time, or felony, which would expose you to prison time and is very serious and could constitute a strike depending on the injuries or whether or not weapons were involved and other factors. So if we have serious bruising, a black eye, bloody nose, certainly anything beyond that, it's highly likely that domestic violence case will be charged as a felony, and you'd be facing prison time and possibly a strike, depending on how the violence took place, whether weapons were involved, and other issues. The other factor, though, is also your criminal record. If you have a clean record, the district attorney is going to take that into account. If you don't, they're probably also going to take that into account. So in some cases where the injuries are very light, but you have a long history of domestic violence, that case could be charged as a felony, even though we're not looking at very serious injuries. To sum up, domestic violence definitely can be charged as a felony. There are a number of factors involved, and if you find yourself in the situation that you're facing a domestic violence charge, which is actually much more common than people realize, you should contact our office right away and get a free consultation at the very least to figure out what your options might be.